loves, what's up, and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. And I'm back with another makeup haul. It just feels so good to say this. So, makeup and Nidhi, it's like true love. So, the new year is almost around the corner, and I had to get new makeup because festive season is here, new year is here, Christmas is here. So, new makeup banta tha, right? So I have this makeup haul from Amazon, and I'm super happy and excited to try some new makeup products. And Amazon is having their wardrobe refresh sale just at the right time because I love stocking up on some new makeup. And there am I now. So yes, if you love watching makeup tutorials, definitely stick on to this one, and let's see what all new makeup did I get. And I also got one clothing item too because right? So let's begin with today's makeup haul. Already done my skin prep, and I have a rich golden tan going on right now. I'm back from my trip just yesterday, and the tan is a lot. Anyways, the shades that I've picked are perfect match for my skin tone when I'm not tanned. So yeah, let's get started. The very first thing that I got in makeup is this. Like, I've seen so many new products launched from Wet n Wild, and on Amazon I found the new launches on discount. So like, banta tha, right? So party season is here, new year is here, so we need new makeup as well. So I got this particular one from Wet n Wild. It is their Impossible primer. It looks so good, the packaging is so good. So I've tried their dewy one and matte ones. I really liked it. So let's see how this one is. Firstly, let's see the texture. Okay, so the texture looks quite dense and opaque. So let's quickly apply this and let's kickstart the makeup. So yes, it just applies really well. I can feel that. Definitely the texture is silicone based, but quite dense than other silicone primers that I've used before. So definitely kind of different. Yes. Oh, this one does say that it's silicone free, but it just feels like silicone, but it's something kind of different and slightly goes tacky. So yes, that is the skin prep done for my makeup. Let's switch to the next product now. I have a foundation, but first just let me clip my hair away. Okay, so the next product that I got is this. Again, this is from the brand Wet n Wild. It is their Bare Focus Tinted Hydrator. This is a new launch again from Wet n Wild, and I found it on discount. The MRP of this particular one is $650, but I definitely grabbed it on a discounted rate on Amazon. So definitely check out their sale. So I got the shade medium tan. So basically this is a tinted skin BB cream. So let's try this particular one out. Firstly, let's see the texture. Okay, so that is how the shade is. Definitely would match me without my tan on, but let's apply this and see. Feels kinda lightweight. Definitely it is a BB cream, so has to be like very lightweight and breathable. So I would be just blending this out with my brush. Definitely with the tan on, the shade doesn't match me at all, but this is my shade without the tan. I've become like orange due to the tan, but this kind of feels very lightweight, definitely on the skin, and I would definitely call it like a light to medium coverage. You can definitely see my tan through it. So yes, it is a light to medium coverage, but I think for medium you would have to build it a lot, which particularly I don't go for such kind of look, especially when I'm using like BB creams, because like, what's the purpose of using a BB cream then if you just cake up your face? Okay, I look like a ghost right now just because of the shade difference that's going on my face. But yes, I would still say that it is not giving me that shiny kind of look. Definitely it is non-greasy. It did apply well. It is a light coverage kind of BB cream, good for daily wear, and it is not even drying, so that's a yay. So yes, that was the second product. I would just quickly do my concealer so that I look normal, and then we can move on to the next product. Done with my concealer. The next product that I got from Amazon is this. This is from the brand Ilana. It is their Beat tint, basically a lip and cheek tint, and this one is extracted from beetroots. So I was really excited to try this one out. This is like gone viral and I've seen so many people loving this, so I wanted to have mine, definitely. So yeah, I really like the packaging, to be true. That is how the outer box looks like. Again, priced at 1200 rupees, but I got it at a great discounted price. The inside bottle is made up of glass and it looks like this. The best part is that it comes with a roll-on applicator. So I would just shake it and you see how it comes out. It is quite sheer liquid tint, and personally I love liquid tints because they just look so lightweight on the cheeks and very natural looking. So yes, I would just pick it up on the brush and apply it. With just that little amount, it looks so good. Okay, so little goes a long way, definitely. And you can also do this, like directly apply this onto your cheeks and little bit on the nose and chin, not much, otherwise I would look like a reindeer in the Christmas season. And just blend it out. This just looks extremely lightweight and as if I'm naturally blushing, like from within kind of look. I loved it. Would like to kind of build it on this particular cheek, and that would be enough, I guess. Loved this. I would highly recommend the Ilana Beat tint. I'm so happy about this one. Okay, so the next makeup product that I have is again from Wet n Wild. So the very first one is this. This is their Brow Obsessive Brow Shaping Pencil. I got myself the shade Dark Brown, and that is how the packaging looks like. You do get a spoolie as well as the brow pencil on the other side. So let's just open this up. That is how the spoolie comes, and on the other side we do get the brow product. That is the shade Dark Brown. Let's try it on my brows. Firstly, I would like to just comb them downwards. I love using spoolie. It just disperses the product perfectly. And okay, I feel the shade is pretty good for my dark brow. It would just kind of fill the sparse gaps, that's all. I would not fill it much, or else I would end up with Shin-chan brows, which I don't wanna go for. So those are my brows done. They look pretty good and this worked just perfectly. It went on smooth. It is rich in pigment, definitely kind of creamy, and does have a bit of a waxy nature as well, which is kind of necessary in your brow products. You know, the brow product shouldn't be very waxy or very creamy. You just need the perfect ratio of both for the perfect one. I did enjoy using this one. So the next product that I got from Amazon from Wet n Wild is this. This is their Brow Obsessive Brow Shaping Gel. I love brow gels. I just enjoy using them so much. Like on everyday basis, all you do is just flick and you're good to go with those brows on. So let's just open this one up. So that is the outer packaging, and that is how the wand looks like. It is teeny tiny. So I got the shade brown in this particular one. So let's try it. It's good that they have smaller wand so that, you know, I can be very precise while brushing through my brow. Okay, so I would go very gently as the shade is slightly light than the shade of my brow hair. So yes, that is my brow done. Definitely a very quick, like good product. I really love brow gels and definitely like this one as well from Wet n Wild. So yes, that was the next product that I got. So I would just quickly powder down my face and be right back. So I'm pretty much done with my base and my lipstick and everything is on. So the last product that I have in the makeup section is this. This is the Wet n Wild Big Poppa Mascara. I got it in the variant Blackest Black. This one is again a new launch and it was on offer, so I got this. It says bigger is better, bigger is better. So I think it's gonna give me length or volume. It has a lot of stickers around it, so basically I'm not just able to read what exactly it does, but I got it in the variant Blackest Black. And let's open up this mascara. Okay, so the wand is very different. So it does has this hourglass shape kind of wand, but it is quite dense. Let's just try it rather than rambling, right? So yes, those are my lashes and I would like to give it a quick coat. Okay, so you can see it did kind of separate my lashes, and this is just the first coat on and looks pretty good. I think this is more of kind of lengthening, like you can see the length of my lashes than giving them a lot of volume. This is definitely adding more of length. Yes, that was the mascara. My lashes look good lengthy than before. I have like really short lashes, but now they look really good. So yes, that was the last makeup product. I also have one clothing item that I got from Amazon. Let me just quickly show it to you all. I did order this beautiful mehendi green colored dress from the brand Indoera. Again, the MRP is 4,399, but I got it on a great discounted price. So yes, that is how the yoke looks like of the kurta. The material is a kind of silk cotton material, and that it also has a Chinese collar with the yoke detailing given right over here. It is embroidery and a little bit of sitara work is also given. You also get 3/4 sleeves. They are plain, and the back of the kurta is plain as well. It is a straight fit kurta. The material, the quality overall looks super good. Like, I own so many of Indoera dresses. I love that quality to be true. And then you have these pants of the same color, and you do get elastication at the back side and a flat belt paneling on the front. And again, you do get the straight fit pants, secret pants with this one, and the dupatta is this, made up of net and zari, a golden colored dupatta. Basically, you can use this dupatta with so many other outfits, and the best part is that it is not a plain dupatta, it is floral dupatta. You can see me. So yes, that is how the dupatta is. It is very beautiful. It does has this floral print and zari detailing given along. It is absolutely pretty. The overall kurta, pant and dupatta set together looks so pretty. You can see it in the try on. I really loved it. And so yes, that was the last piece in today's Amazon haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to check out Amazon's wardrobe refresh sale. The sale is already live. They have offers like up to 50 to 80% off, so there's huge bachat going on right now. So don't forget to check out for your favorite items. I would have all of the product links mentioned in the description box. You can definitely check that out, and I shall meet you all soon in my next video. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.